How much revenue did I make with YouTube AdSense for November 2022? Let's go and take a look. So I'm going to head on over to my analytics and then change it to November. I recently got monetized. Like, I haven't been monetized for very long at all. I've been monetized probably for not even a month yet, but let's see. I don't remember the exact date right now, but it definitely hasn't been that long. So I'm going to change it to November 1st through 30th, and then we can go ahead and take a look. So my estimated revenue is $31.75 for the month of November. Looks like I started getting some money on November 7th, 2022. So not quite the entire month, but for majority of it. And it says right now that it's having like some data is underreported for some dates, says November 16th, but that's okay. It always figures itself out, or the YouTube people fix it. So my revenue hasn't really been that much. I did get a concussion during this time, so that's why there's this huge blank area where there's like no videos being uploaded, where before I was super consistent. And I actually got this little like hat here that says the drop in views is due to not publishing as much, but I couldn't really help that since I had a concussion and had to get off screen. So I'm trying to be better with starting to upload again and get back into the groove of things, so bear with me. But my highest day was the first day at $3.43, and since then I've been hovering between like $1 or so, like give or take. My lowest day, it looks like so far, was this one, 77 cents maybe, or no, 68 cents. But then I've gone back up to almost $2. So it's kind of all over the place. And looking at my revenue tab, it's been changing a lot. My CPM and RPM is constantly changing, like all the time, every day, every hour, every minute. I feel like it's a different number. I'm not sure if YouTube is still like figuring out where my channel sits or whatnot, but I'm happy to see that my RPM is at least going up, so that's good. But you can see how it's kind of just been fluctuating quite a bit, in my opinion. But again, this channel is very new to being monetized, so I know it's going to take some time. And then let's look at my top earning content. Is this coloring book video, which I'm not surprised at because it has the most views any other video on my channel has so far. And then another coloring book one, and then resize Amazon KP cover, and then it's kind of a bigger drop down. This is my first month being monetized, so really excited and happy about that. Looks like I made most of my money from skippable video ads, but also I made money from the rest as well. And I'm not really sure what like all of this data means yet, but majority of my data came from regular ad revenue, and my YouTube premium revenue was 49 cents. And again, I'm still learning everything, but honestly, it took me a long time to get monetized for me. Like, I know it definitely can take longer. I think it took about 10 months or so for me. Give or take a few. I'm not entirely sure. I'd have to go back and check, but about 10 months. And I've worked very, very hard, spent many hours. So I'm honestly just very happy to get monetized. I mean, $31.75 is not something that is like huge. And I know that I'm not even going to get this money because there's a $100 threshold for YouTube in order to get your money. But it's a start, and that's okay. As long as I keep being consistent and keep growing the channel, that money should just grow. And I'm just happy to be getting anything from doing YouTube and doing what I love. So I really appreciate all of the support and just the loyalty from you guys. It truly means so much to me, and being patient with me while I've been recovering. So thank you so much for watching and listening, and I hope you have a great day.